Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix error code 8007274D on Xbox console. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. First, we need close the game by press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to the game you want close. Next, press menu button on the controller, then select quit. Now, just go to Profile and System, then select Sign Out. Restart the Xbox console and sign in again. Try check if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then check if the issue persists. Method 3. Change your DNS. On the home screen, select Settings. Select General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. I will type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, press the menu button on your controller to save, then see if the problem is fixed. Method 4. Use manual alternate port selection. Go to Settings. Go to Network Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Go to Alternate Port Selection. Select Manual. Now, choose next one down in list. Select Continue, then check if error code 8007274D is gone. If not working, please come back there, then try one by one port in list. Method 5. Power cycle Xbox console and router. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Turn console off. After your Xbox turns off completely, unplug the power cable from the power source and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Please do the same with your router. Method 6. Clear local Xbox 360 storage. For Xbox Series X users, we need go to Settings. Go to System. Go to Storage Devices. Select Clear Local Xbox 360 Storage. This will delete all of the Xbox 360 saved games and profiles on the console. Once done, try launch the game, then re-download profile, then check the problem is fixed. For Xbox 360 console users, go to Settings and select System. Select Storage. Note: if you don't connect any external storage devices to your console, select Hard Drive. If you do use external storage, select All Devices. Select Profiles. Select the Xbox profile that you want to delete. Select Delete. Select one of the following. Delete profile only. This deletes the Xbox profile but leaves saved games and achievements. Delete profile and items. This deletes the profile and the associated saved games and achievements. Method 7. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We need to do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, etc. After that, if it works, then please contact your internet service provider and ask them to fix this problem for you. If possible, then try to exchange out your router for a newer one. Method 8. Make this my home Xbox. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Select Profile and System. Select Settings. Select General. Select Personalization, and then select My Home Xbox. To make this your home Xbox, select Make this my home Xbox. Method 9. Check server status. Just press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to Xbox Support. Select Xbox Status. If you see any services with alerts, expand the service, scroll down to Notifications, and sign in to receive a message when the service is up and running again. Method 10. Factory reset your router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code 8007274D is gone. Method 11. Factory reset the Xbox console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console. Then, Xbox will show you the following three options. Option 1. Reset and remove everything. Option 2. Reset and keep my apps and games. And Option 3. Cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the Reset and Keep My Apps and Games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.